How's it going, guys? Hopefully you guys are doing well today. If you're new to my channel, I'm Kenneth and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. And today I'm gonna talk to you guys about a new playlist announcement. So last week, or actually a few weeks ago, I've launched my mini movie playlist. So if you guys haven't checked it out, make sure to check it out. And here is a few clips from my series, my playlist, mini movies. So take a look. So yeah, pretty cool, right? So hopefully you guys could check it out. I'm gonna link those videos down below. And why do I talk with my hands all the time? I gotta stop that. Like for this time, I'm gonna launch a new playlist, like I said earlier, and it's gonna be called Mini Challenges or Mini Experiences. So what is this mini challenges or mini experiments entail? So basically, I'm gonna put my body to the test. So 3 to 7 days of doing this mini experiments or mini challenges. A few challenges that I have in mind already is like going raw vegan for 5 days, sleeping only 4 hours for a week, specific diets like being a fruitarian, pescatarian for 1 week. And I'll tell you guys how I felt, my energy levels, did I lose weight, all those stuff, so that you guys have an idea on what's going on as I take you guys to the process. But yeah, ouch. Yeah, I don't know what's that, but basically, those are the few challenges that I have personally already taught. And please comment down below on suggestions on what to do for these challenges. I would gladly appreciate it. Additionally, I'm gonna create a new intro video, a more proper, formal video, so that you guys could know me better, you know, where I'm from, what do I do, what are my hobbies and interests. I mean, you guys already know, like, I love to run, you know, but besides that, I want to share with you guys a different perspective on what do I do, you know, on a daily basis, on the weekends, what do I like. So thank you guys for tuning in, and before I sign off, I'm gonna show you guys, because I'm feeling thirsty already, so I'm gonna show you guys some tea. I love tea.